Hello, you're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal, Esmet Rashid. We're here today at a client's house. You saw the original estimate quote, and what we're going to do today, we've been acquired to do the job. Great news, and we're going to basically give her a brand new roof. What we've done so far, we've set up, we've also removed the water. We have a submersible pump going. So this was, as you saw in the original video, this was a pool basically. We had at least 3 inches of water. So what we got, we've eliminated most of the water. We still have patches. We're going to broom and sweep that. We've done our setup in the back. Basically, the system of the roof, we're going to take away the gravel, take away the stone. You see a lot of the mud. We're going to take away the mud and degranulate, take all the gravel off, get it out of sight, put an 1/8 inch layer of soper board down, and then put two ply mod bit. So we're going to give her a new metal flashing and basically make this roof watertight. So I'll walk you through the job step by step. We'll come back and I'll show you how we are. You've seen the roof now. You saw what it looked like originally. Remember all the water? And we'll do another shoot. I'll show you what it looks like once we can get all this gravel out. Okay, welcome back. It's been about 4 or 5 hours. We removed 90% of the stone off the roof. It was a bit of a tough go. In some areas there was more asphalt than others, but turned out well. We've cleaned up the roof, so I'll let you take a look at it. So, looks, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but it looks a lot cleaner. We've blown the roof, we've swept the roof, we've removed the gravel, and also in some areas we have, if in some areas we felt that we may have gone through the felts, what we did, we've repaired it with mastic. This is just a temporary repair. Tomorrow we are going to do a full waterproofing system. So here, this is an area where we did a core cut. A professional roofer will do a core cut to know exactly what he's dealing with. I repaired it with mastic. This specific roof has the regular substrate plywood, 1/2 inch of fiberboard. Underneath that fiberboard they do have a craft vapor barrier, 4-ply built-up roofing system, and P-stone. The P-stone, 3/8 P-stone we have removed. So that is important because we need to know how long our fasteners are going to be, because whatever we add on top of this, we have to make sure the fasteners are going to grip into the P-stone. Okay, I'm going to take the camera and Kunda will show you the tools we used for today.
Okay, so we got the scrapers. These are basically the main tools that we use to remove most of the gravel from the roof. Very efficient. It was a tough job, but we got it done with these tools right here. We've got the blower, which is basically used to just blow the gravel, the remaining little stones off the roof as well. We got this broom, and this is just to help us get the place all tidy and neat and get all the dirt, you know, and get ready for the membrane tomorrow. And then we also had a pump. This is basically a simple water pump, and it's used just to remove the water because sometimes the roof gets waterlogged, so we just use the pump to remove the water before we start actually scraping and removing the gravel. Yeah, that's about it.
Okay. Do we want to stutter the joints? Okay, so we've come to the point where we fastened the substrate right onto the existing roof. What we did, we fastened a 1/8 soper board onto the existing roof, and we've blown the existing gravel off and just kind of prepared it for the new roof structure that we're going to put on. We put enough fasteners on the outside perimeter and on the inside perimeter, and we're basically to the point now where we're going to apply the adhesive primer onto the substrate. We flashed in the washroom stack exhaust, so we also have a waterproof barrier underneath for extra layer of protection. So notice the fasteners. If we come down to the existing stepper that we're going to keep, we've created almost like a fake sump situation, so it's going to allow the water to pool in this area. If you remember the last video, the water was pooling in the middle. What we're trying to do now is bring the water to the scupper. We degranulated or scraped off the old gravel here. This is going to be a situation where we're putting a new scupper to just allow more water to drain off the roof. So we're going to start, see here, we're going to start installing the primer adhesive, and that is going to bond to the base layer membrane. Okay, we'll bring you back when we have the membrane base sheet field on, and take it from there. Okay, so we're back. We've installed the field base sheet and we've installed the field flashing. We've installed the flange at the washroom exhaust pipe there. The existing scupper that we had in the corner there has been flashed in with the base. And also the new scupper which we discussed. We installed the new scupper here. And also flash it in with the base. What you're looking at, the red, that is the primer. That's the last layer of primer before we put on our cap sheet. So that's where we're at. We have another layer we're going to put on the field cap sheet, and we're going to put on the field flashing. After that we put on the metal flashing, and that's a wrap. So we'll bring you back when the field is on, and you'll see what a finished membrane looks like before we put on the metal flashing. Hello, we're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We've completed the semi-townhouse project. I wanted to show it to you what it looks like. Again, really excited. The metal turned out nice. The membrane turned out nice. I just finished doing the final seams and final touches. So, tied in the scupper well, and the job is done. Basically, just want to show you what it looks like as a complete wrap-up. So again, this is the neighbor's roof, and now that the metal is on, there you go. A nice, perfect, clean job. We are watertight. Tied in the old metal with the new, the neighbor's metal. Put in the boot flashing. It's a really nice color. I like it a lot. Turned out real nice in the sunlight. Real clean job. The scupper tied in nice, and everything. Well, there you go. You have seen a job from start to finish, and now you've seen the metal. I'm going to go down and show you some views from the bottom. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And again, if for any reason, any roofing work at all you need, give us a call. Southwestern Ontario, London, surrounding areas. The number's at the bottom. My name's Esmat, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Okay, so here's the view from the bottom. We finished the flashing. As you see, it's a nice black trim at the top. We brought a downspout here to catch into the rain barrel. She's taken advantage of using her flat roof to collect water to water her garden, save some money that way, maybe pay off her flat roof. And basically that it was a difficult detail, but it turned out nice. We brought the pipe around and down. You can see the new scupper we put in down and to the barrel over there. Really collects water nicely. So, and there you go, the new flashing in the back. The existing downspout was already there. We just cleaned it up a bit and basically made. So there you go. Job's done. Hope you guys liked it, and hope we can do business in the future. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Another great legacy project done. Thank you very much.